Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here, I'm so excited. I made some cuts on my silhouette, which if you know is a very sore subject for me. I have a silhouette machine and I need to learn to use it more because I buy way too many metal dies that I could just cut on my machine and save some money there. But anyway, so if you follow along on this channel, thank you, welcome back. You will know that I admire Ebony. She's Ebony over at Sharing More here on YouTube, and she's inspired me to keep trying over the years. And so have my crafty girlfriends. Thanks Sarah and Amanda and Charlene. We recently got together at and brought machines together so we could, you know, just learn to use them. And so I got over a little fear, and so I made some projects. I downloaded some of these projects from the Silhouette Design Store, and the box I'm going to show you is what got me cutting on my machine, because Ebony did it on her machine and she shared what cut file she used, and so I got the same cut file and cut it out, and I figured it was just going to be an easy cut. That's something I could do. And so then the next project I tried was a little more, but I'm going to share them with you. So these are the boxes that I ended up making. I'm sorry for the washout. Let me see about closing my curtains a little. I thought it was overcast enough, but I guess not. And then you get the glare. Anyway, it's one or the other. But these are the boxes that I made. It's a silhouette cut file. And it's a no glue cut file. You just tuck in all the spots to secure them. Like here. There is a little slit that you put those notches in. And it holds it together. And then you put the handles in that bigger notch at the top, like that. But it's a good size box. You can fit lots of great goodies. Here's another. I did use double-sided paper. So that there was decoration on the inside. But I'm probably gonna fill them with some treats for this weekend for some of my friends, not my crafty friends. I don't know when I'm going to be able to see my crafty friends again. But I really like this paper too. This paper is from Echo Park. It is the, what paper is this called? I guess it's just called Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, it's the Happy St. Patrick's Day collection. And here is the paper collection kit. Let me move these boxes so I can share with you. Let me take them out of the... This is the paper pack I'm working with, so it's already open. But I do... So it does come with a sticker sheet. And here's the stickers that it comes with. All of these individual words. Lucky, some horseshoe, rainbows, some clovers. Lots of sentiment pieces. The little Irishman. But yeah, tons of stickers to use up on your projects for embellishing, to make cards, scrapbook page. So this is the element sticker page that comes in the collection. And then it comes with 2 of each sheet and 12 So 12 total. So 6 different, 12 sheets of paper. And I think I used some, so I'm not sure. So there's this side and that side. They're all double-sided. And see, these are good cut aparts. You can make tags, use them to make card bases, which I'm probably going to do. So watch for a future video with those. And then here's another cut apart and the back side of that one. So those are 4. Here's a spring looking one and the back side. Those are 6. So I did use some of them. 7. Here's another cut apart piece. And 8. And then I have strips of the other one. Maybe. Here's another pattern. It just has the clovers, so that's 9. And here's one with all the banners. They say March, Party, Lucky. So that's 10. And then this was the 11th paper with the horseshoes. And then here's the 12th paper with the guy on it. What is his name? He has a name, right? I'm sure he does. But it just says, Happy St. Patrick's Day, 17th of March. You're my lucky charm. Cute, right? So that's the paper pack that comes in the collection. I have a few of these and they are available. If you are interested, let me know. They come with the collection kit, which I just showed you the papers and the sticker pack. It also comes with the 6x6 paper pad here, and I'll show you the papers. So these are the arrays of papers that are in there, but we'll do a little flip through quickly. And they are double-sided as well. So here you go. Some solid pieces, then some pattern clovers, some cut aparts, more cut aparts, sentiments. There you go. So you have a nice variety, and so it comes in doubles, and this is the same. So it comes with that, the collection kit with the sticker sheet, and there it's this collection pack with the sticker sheet. These are the papers that are in it. Let's go back out, zoom back out so you can see. Yeah, so these are the papers that come with it. And then there's these cut aparts that are in the collection as well. And then these are some of the stickers that are on the sticker element sheet. So that collection, the 6x6 pad, and then it comes with an ephemera pack as well. And I have the ephemera out, but these are all the different ephemera that is in the pack. I'm not sure if it tells me, oh, it says 34 pieces. So 34 different pieces. It all coordinates. But yeah, so we can go through them. Let's see, let me get a white. Yeah, there we go. And let's zoom in a little to see. So this is just a frame and a cut apart here. There's two pieces that you can use, or you can just leave it solid. Here's a banner. Here's a sentiment with a frame. More sentiment, another banner piece. Here's another banner piece. Here's just, I'm just here for the shenanigans. That's usually me. Here's that guy again. Happy St. Patrick's Day, love. Kiss me, I'm Irish. It's your lucky day. I am so lucky to know you. Happy St. Patrick's Day. May every petal on the shamrock bring you joy and good luck. Huh. The focus is slow, huh? It's probably because I'm moving too. But it might be a setting I have on my camera. Here's an oval, March 17th. Here's another sentiment. You're my lucky charm. Shamrock and roll. Lucky. Lucky. Make a wish. Here's some different shamrocks. Here's a strip of that guy. We might be the luckiest people alive. Luck of the Irish. I'm so lucky to have you. You're the pot of gold at the end of my rainbow. Wishing you a pot of gold this St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day and lucky day. So 34 piece of ephemera. And like I said, I have 4 of them, I believe, available. 4 of these kits available. So again, the ephemera pack that I just showed you. The 6x6 double-sided 24 sheet paper pack. As well as the collection kit. That comes with the papers and cut aparts, as well as a sticker element sheet. There you go. And so all of that is $25 plus shipping. Oops, sorry. Getting crazy here. So yeah, it's $25 if you guys are interested. Plus shipping. So yeah, you can just leave a comment in the description box below, or if my email's in the description box below, you can email me. But yeah, so those were the boxes that I made, and this was the collection pack that I used. So I'm going to end up decorating these, and then I'll come back with a video to share how I decorated them. And I'm probably going to use the stickers and the ephemera pack so I can share that. And then my next project, this is getting to be a long video, so I'm going to wrap it up after I show you this, is here. Look at this. I made me this little hat. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I cut it and everything, glued it together. But here you go. So the hat is, you know, this size. It's not very big, but that would be the next thing for me to adjust it to make it a bigger hat. And then cut it out. That might be an advanced level for me, but yeah, that would be what I would aspire to. Anyway, I did get this flower from my crafty friend Sarah, and I just added this Happy St. Patrick's Day and this banner, and this paper and the banner, as well as the sentiment strip, are all from this St. Patrick's collection from Echo Park Paper. But yeah, how cute. I love it. This is how it came out. So that was my second project I made. So I will I'll probably do a video showing you how I put this together. I don't know if you need that, but anyway, that's probably what I'm gonna do. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And like I said, if you guys are interested, I have like 4 of these collections left. They're just the collection kit with the element stickers, the 6x6 paper pad, and the ephemera pack. And it's the St. Patrick's Day paper that you see me use on my projects today. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!